In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open BGMI in Bluestacks 5. We'll walk through the essential setup so BGMI runs smoothly, then get it installed the easiest way through the Play Store. Follow along, and by the end, you'll be ready to jump in. First, let's cover the requirements before opening BGMI. Make sure hardware virtualization, often labeled VT, is enabled on your computer. This allows Bluestacks to use your CPU efficiently and dramatically improves performance and stability. If you're unsure whether VT is on, BlueStacks can show its status in the settings, and your motherboard or laptop support page can guide you to enable it in the BIOS. Next, use an Android 11 or Pi 64-bit instance in BlueStacks. BGMI expects a 64-bit environment for compatibility and anti-cheat support, so confirm you're not on a 32-bit instance. If you need to switch, BlueStacks multi-instance tool lets you create a new Android 11 or Pi 64-bit instance quickly. Finally, allocate at least 4 CPU cores and between 4 to 8 gigabytes of RAM to BlueStacks. You can adjust this under BlueStacks settings in the performance section. If your system allows it, leaning toward the higher end helps with smoother gameplay. Close heavy background apps to free up resources and keep your graphics drivers updated for best results. Now open BlueStacks 5. Give it a moment to fully load to the home screen, especially if it's your first launch or you've just created a new instance. A stable internet connection is important here because we'll be pulling the game from the Play Store. Once you're on the BlueStacks home screen, open the Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account so you can access downloads and updates. Keep your account details private and use your own trusted credentials. In the search bar, type Battlegrounds Mobile India. Select the official listing, then click Install. The download will begin, followed by the automatic installation. Depending on your connection, this can take a few minutes, so let it complete without closing BlueStacks. Availability can vary by region, and the download size is substantial, so ensure you have enough storage on the instance. When the Play Store finishes, you'll see that BGMI has been installed and its icon appears on the BlueStacks home screen and in your app drawer. That confirms you're set. If you ever run into performance hiccups later, revisit the performance settings to fine-tune cores, RAM, and frame rate, and make sure virtualization remains enabled. That's it. Requirements checked, BlueStacks launched, and BGMI installed through the Play Store, ready for you to open and play.